Hello, I'm Shannon with Waffle Flower, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com sharing with you how to create a pop-up Christmas tree card. We're going to start by stamping our Christmas tree. I have some white cardstock here. I'm going to use a stamping platform because I'm going to do some ombre inking, and I'm going to have to stamp the stamp multiple times. I also have the pull tab tree die here to help me position my stamp. This is the Christmas tree stamp set. I'm going to use this stamp here to stamp my tree. Using the die, I'm going to position the stamp just so the tip is just beyond the die. This will ensure I have full coverage of this image over the tree. Now position the second part of my sentiment. Fold the platform over. Pick up those stamps and remove the die. I'm going to ink this stamp up with 2 Distress Oxides. I'm going to start with my lighter shade and ink up about 3/4 of this image. Fold over and stamp. Now ink it up a second time to get better coverage. Now without cleaning, I'm going to ink up the remaining quarter with my darker green. Now to soften the transition between our dark green to our light green, I'm going to use a paintbrush and just dab it over where the 2 colors meet. Now stamp. Now we have a beautiful ombre tree. Now I'm going to die cut this tree with the pull tab tree die. Again, I want a little bit of that tree to stick out at the top. I use some washi tape to hold it in place. And now our tree is ready to assemble. I went ahead and die cut the pull tab and the mechanism here with the other dies from the pull tab tree die set. I'm going to fold along all the score lines that are on the pull tab tree. The pull tab tree was designed that you can add the pull tab to the right side or the left side, so it is symmetrical. I'm going to have this pull tab on the right side, so I'm going to remove this tab here on the right because it'll pull from the left. So I remove this little tab right here with some scissors. Now I'm going to add some score tape to all my tabs. I'm going to add a piece of score tape right here to this tab on the left. I've already added tape to the ends of these tabs as well. Now I'm going to assemble my internal mechanism for my pull tab tree. First I'm going to fold right here in this opening. There's a score line so it makes it folding very easy. I'm going to fold it in on itself. The tab here I'm going to fold back. Now for the pull tab. Fold this tab here back as well. Now I'm going to remove the score tape, feed the pull tab through the slot, and fold it down. Now I'm going to take our mechanism, feed it through the right side here, then flip the tree over, remove the score tape on the tree, and adhere the mechanism to that tab. Now I'm going to adhere these 2 triangle pieces on the back, one over the other, with some liquid glue. Now that it's set, all I have to do is remove the backing on this piece of tape inside, sandwich my mechanism closed, then press it down. Last, I'll just tuck this tab inside. And now our pop-up tree is ready for our card. We're now going to stamp a background for our tree. We're going to use the stars from the Christmas tree stamp set. Just stamp them with some VersaMark ink and then do some clear heat embossing. First, I'll add some anti-static powder just to make sure the embossing powder only sticks where we stamp the stars. Ink the stars up with VersaMark. And then stamp. Once stamped, we'll pour in some clear embossing powder. Now we'll heat set with the heat tool. Now that our card is all heat embossed, we're ready to assemble. I'm going to add a little star to the top of our tree here. I die cut the star out of some gold cardstock with the star from the pull tab tree die. Just going to add a little dab of glue and tuck that into the top of the tree. Now to adhere the tree to the card base, we're going to add some tape right here at the bottom section of our tree. We only want to add it to these two sections right here. If you add it anywhere else, the tree won't pop up. I'm going to add lots of tape to make sure I have a good, strong hold. Now my tape is added. I'll just flip my tree over. Center it, stick it down. Now just pull this tab, give it a little pull down, and the tree will stay popped up. And then we pull it out, press it down, it's ready to mail flat. This is a fun, interactive Christmas card that's sure to surprise the recipient. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!